Why do Filipinos drill holes in their roofs and stuff them with water bottles? This is a new electricity-free lighting method designed for slums and areas with electricity shortages. Simply fill a recycled water bottle with clean water, add a little bleach to prevent bacteria growth, and then make an appropriate hole in the roof. Insert the bottle along with a shield into the hole. When sunlight hits the bottle, it scatters the light through refraction, turning the bottle into a non-electric light bulb that brightens the room below. This technology has already helped millions of households in the Philippines, Africa, and other regions. To make it useful at night, solar panels have been installed on the device. During the day it uses refraction for lighting, and at night the solar panel, charged by a day's worth of sunlight, comes into play. The cost is extremely low, requiring only a mineral water bottle and a cheap solar panel, enabling those living in slums to escape darkness.